Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Now we are going to start new topic, that is computer. First we discuss about the importance of computer in our life. Computer is very important in our daily life as this is the computer age. Hardly a literate person could be unaware of the computer. Computer use in homes. In the homes, we use washing machine, microwave oven, satellite receiver, sewing machine, and other electronic devices which are all being computerized. Computer use in general stores. When you buy something from a big store, the salesman on the counter just scans its barcode by laser light, and all details including price appear on the computer. Computer use in banks. Banks and other commercial institute have computerized all of their business. Computer used in medical field. Computerized machine are being used in the medical fields. Computer also used in traffic control, like computer all are controlling road traffic and air traffic all. Computer use in record rooms. Electricity, water and gas supplying departments are keeping all their records on computers. Computer use in publishing, printing and graphics. Revolutionary changes have been brought in the field of publishing, printing and graphics. Computer is used in arts. Even the printings are made on computers. Computer also used in car assembling. Robots are assembling cars. Computer used in industries. Computerized machines are being used in industries, and computer also used in games. Computer games have changed the complexion of games. So the computer has made the world so small that people are calling it the global village. What is computer? A computer is an electronic device that can accept data, manipulate data, produce information and store it back into the memory. Generally, the term computer is used to describe a collection of devices that function together as a system. So, computer is defined as computer is an electronic machine that receives raw data and processes it into useful information under the given instruction. And useful information includes rearrangement, analysis, explanation, arithmetic and logic solution. How many parts of computer? Apparently, computers are very complicated, but they are very simple as regards their functions and results. A computer can be basically divided into two parts, hardware and software. What is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical elements of a computer. Most of a computer's hardware cannot be seen. It's inside the computer case. So, hardware is defined as the components of computer that can be physically touched are called the hardware. For example, keyboards, mouse, printer and monitor. There are the four parts of hardware. First, input devices. Second, central processing unit. Third, output devices. Fourth, information storage devices. First, we discuss about input devices. Input devices defined as the devices through which data is entered in the computer are known as input devices. First we discuss about keyboard, and you see in figure the keyboard allows the user to type letters and number. It is similar to the typewriter. Instruction to the computer are typed by keyboard. There are some functional keys on the keyboard which serve different purposes. And the second is mouse. And you see in figure the mouse allows the user to position the cursor, draw and execute program functions by clicking mouse buttons. This is also an input device which is rolled over a pad. This makes the input easier and faster. Scanner is also an input device. Scanner is another important input device through which pictures and documents can be fed to the computer in their original form, and this has been facilitated much in the field of publishing. And you see in figure a scanner is a device that captures images from photographic prints, posters, magazines, pages and similar sources of computer editing and display. Now we discuss about laser pen. Laser pen is also used to enter data in the computer. Laser pen also called laser pointer. Laser pointer is a small handheld device with a power source and a laser diode emitting a very narrow coherent low powered. And you see in figure laser beam of visible light intended to be used to highlight something of interest by illuminating it with a small bright spot of colored light. So input devices feed data to central part of the computer called CPU where data is processed. I hope all of you understand about computer and parts of computer. Okay student, take care.